Having started in the year 2014, in less than 8 years, they have been retaining the number one position as far as the smartphone market share is concerned. They have always been the heartthrob of the smartphone user mass and produce products with cutting edge technologies. Yes, I'm talking about Xiaomi. Hello guys, my name is Hareen and we are going to unbox a magical product by Xiaomi and it is none other than the Mi 11i Hypercharge. And yeah, you guessed it right, it charges itself up in 15 minutes. So let's start the unboxing.
You already know that I'm on a roll, you're losing control, it's just how it goes. It's a wild ride, makes you feel alive. True legends ain't stressing, they bow out when I step in, left you on the side. Acting like you have the right, you know that I don't even try.
So this is the phone and it has a 6.67-inch display with 120 Hz of refresh rate. So it has an AMOLED screen and it has a camera of 108 megapixels. It has Dimensity 920 processor with 8 global 5G bands and it has dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. And of course, the first in the industry 120 watts hypercharge. Thank you for watching this unboxing and be hypercharged with Mi 11i Hypercharge.